This is a sand piggy, and I'm going to show you how to find them the next time you go to the beach. The first thing you're going to want to do is run up to the water line, and then start digging, and just keep digging down until you find something hard and wiggly. And that's when you wrangle it, because chances are, it's a sand piggy. Let's give this one a bath so we can see what it looks like. Oh wow, you can tell this wiggly one's a girl because all the eggs underneath. Don't worry, little mama, I'll set you free in a second. Look at those little flippers flapping. That's what she uses to dig down into the sand. And these little pokies are on her face. After I'm done, I like to give them kisses and set them free. And follow for more ocean videos.